gently over the quiet neighborhood, casting soft, golden light across tidy lawns and silent streets. Birds chirp in the distance, and a gentle breeze stirs the leaves, carrying the scent of dew. Everything appears calm and serene, as if the world is just waking up from a restful night. Yet beneath this tranquil surface, there is a subtle sense of anticipation in the air. The stillness feels almost too perfect, hinting that something out of the ordinary may soon disturb the peace. Suddenly, in the midst of a routine morning, a person in their kitchen begins to feel lightheaded. Their vision blurs and a wave of confusion washes over them, making it difficult to focus on even simple tasks. Everyday movements become unsteady, and they struggle to recall what they were just doing. The abruptness of these symptoms is alarming, signaling that something serious is happening. Without warning, the ordinary moment is transformed by the unmistakable signs of a stroke. Every minute during a stroke can make the difference between recovery and lasting damage. Time lost is brain lost, as critical brain cells begin to die within moments. But what if you could take action before emergency responders arrive? Recognizing the signs and knowing how to respond quickly can dramatically improve outcomes. Understanding what to do in those first crucial moments could save a life, or even your own. The choices made before help arrives are often the most important. Every second counts when it comes to a stroke. In this video, you'll discover a simple yet powerful 3-minute technique that could make a critical difference before emergency help arrives. We'll explore what happens during a stroke, why immediate action is vital, and how this quick intervention may help protect the brain. Understanding these steps could empower you to act confidently in a crisis. Let's learn how you can be prepared to respond effectively when every moment matters. Now, let's take a closer look at what happens inside the brain during a stroke. As blood flows through the intricate network of vessels, a blockage can suddenly occur, cutting off the vital supply of oxygen and nutrients to certain areas. This interruption can be caused by a clot or a ruptured vessel, leading to rapid damage to brain cells. Understanding this process is crucial, as it highlights the urgency of immediate action. With this foundation, we can better appreciate the importance of the advice that follows. Recognizing the early signs of a stroke can make all the difference in saving a life and minimizing long-term damage. Every second counts, as prompt medical attention greatly increases the chances of recovery. Unfortunately, stroke symptoms are often subtle and can be easily overlooked. Understanding what to look for is essential, not just for medical professionals, but for everyone. In the following moments, we will highlight the key warning signs of stroke, equipping you with the knowledge to act quickly and confidently if you ever encounter them. Recognizing the signs of a stroke can save lives. Watch for sudden face drooping, especially if one side appears numb or uneven. Notice if an arm becomes weak or difficult to lift, and listen for slurred or strange speech. These symptoms are captured by the acronym FAST: face, arms, speech, and time. Acting quickly is crucial, as every second counts when it comes to stroke treatment. The subtle heartbeat in the background serves as a reminder of the urgency in these moments. Recognizing the early signs can be crucial in preventing serious consequences. When symptoms are identified promptly, there is a greater chance for effective intervention and recovery. Time is often a critical factor, so taking immediate action can truly make the difference between life and death. This underscores why it is so important to stay vigilant and respond quickly if you notice any warning signs. Early detection not only saves lives, but also improves the chances of a full recovery. Recognizing the early signs of a stroke can make all the difference in saving a life and minimizing long-term damage. Every second counts, as prompt medical attention greatly increases the chances of recovery. Unfortunately, stroke symptoms are often subtle and can be easily overlooked. Understanding what to look for is essential, not just for medical professionals, but for everyone. In the following moments, we will highlight the key warning signs of stroke, equipping you with the knowledge to act quickly and confidently if you ever encounter them. Recognizing the signs of a stroke can save lives. Watch for sudden face drooping, especially if one side appears numb or uneven. Notice if an arm becomes weak or difficult to lift, and listen for slurred or strange speech. These symptoms are captured by the acronym FAST: face, arms, speech, and time. Acting quickly is crucial, as every second counts when it comes to stroke treatment. The subtle heartbeat in the background serves as a reminder of the urgency in these moments. Recognizing the early signs can be crucial in preventing serious consequences. When symptoms are identified promptly, there is a greater chance for effective intervention and recovery. Time is often a critical factor, so taking immediate action can truly make the difference between life and death. This underscores why it is so important to stay vigilant and respond quickly if you notice any warning signs. Early detection not only saves lives, but also improves the chances of a full recovery. Imagine a quiet room, suddenly interrupted by a medical emergency. In this critical moment, someone reaches for the phone and dials emergency services. Every second counts, and maintaining composure is essential. Acting quickly and calmly can make a significant difference in the outcome. The ability to provide clear information and follow instructions can help ensure the best possible response. This scenario highlights the vital role that preparedness and presence of mind play during emergencies. While waiting for help to arrive, there are several important steps you can take to support the person's well-being. First, loosen any tight clothing to help improve comfort and circulation. Next, assist the person in sitting upright, which can make breathing easier and reduce strain on the body. It's also crucial to check for normal breathing, as this ensures their airway remains clear and they are receiving enough oxygen. Each of these actions is designed to stabilize the person and prevent their condition from worsening until professional assistance is available. The 3-minute trick is a simple yet powerful approach to handling emergencies. By focusing on keeping oxygen flowing, staying calm, and maintaining consciousness, you give yourself the best chance of survival. Oxygen is vital for your brain and organs, and even brief interruptions can have serious consequences. Remaining calm helps you think clearly and make better decisions under pressure. Maintaining consciousness allows you to respond to your surroundings and seek help if needed. These actions are critical because, in an emergency, every second counts and your body's immediate needs must be prioritized. Understanding and applying this trick can make a significant difference when it matters most. As the timer begins its 3-minute countdown, the sense of urgency becomes clear. This visual cue emphasizes how critical each moment is during an emergency response. Throughout this period, it's important to keep a close watch on the individual, observing for any changes in their condition. Continuing supportive measures, such as providing reassurance and maintaining a safe environment, can make a significant difference. Remember, your actions during these crucial minutes help ensure the best possible outcome until professional help arrives. In summary, being prepared for emergencies involves understanding the essential steps and acting with confidence. By staying informed, assembling necessary supplies, and practicing response plans, you can greatly improve your ability to handle unexpected situations. Remember, quick and calm decision-making can make a significant difference in outcomes. Preparation not only protects you, but also those around you. Staying vigilant and ready ensures that you are equipped to face any challenge that may arise. The human brain stands as one of the most intricate and remarkable structures in the known universe. Composed of billions of interconnected neurons, it orchestrates every thought, movement, and sensation we experience. Its complex networks govern not only our intelligence and emotions, but also the essential functions that keep us alive. As we explore its depths, the brain's vital role in maintaining overall health becomes unmistakably clear. The interplay of its many regions reveals a delicate balance, where even minor disruptions can have profound effects. This dynamic organ is both resilient and vulnerable, underscoring the urgency of understanding and protecting its health. Within the intricate network of blood vessels in the brain, even a small clot can have dramatic consequences. As the clot forms, it rapidly blocks the flow of oxygen-rich blood to vital brain tissue. This interruption can occur in a matter of minutes, depriving brain cells of the nutrients they need to survive. Without immediate restoration of blood flow, These cells begin to malfunction and die, leading to potentially irreversible damage. The speed at which a clot can threaten brain function highlights the urgency of recognizing and treating strokes as quickly as possible. Strokes are medical emergencies that affect the brain, but they come in two main types. Ischemic strokes happen when a blood vessel supplying the brain becomes blocked, often by a clot. This blockage stops oxygen and nutrients from reaching brain tissue, causing cells to die. In contrast, hemorrhagic strokes occur when a blood vessel in the brain bursts, leading to bleeding within or around the brain. This bleeding puts pressure on brain tissue and can cause damage. While both types are serious, their causes and treatments are different. Recognizing the signs of a stroke and responding without delay can make a life-changing difference. No matter what type of stroke occurs, immediate action is essential. The sooner treatment begins, the better the chances of minimizing long-term damage and improving recovery. Every moment counts, as brain cells can be lost quickly when blood flow is disrupted. Acting fast not only saves lives, but also greatly increases the likelihood of a positive outcome. Remember, when it comes to stroke, time truly is of the essence. Recognizing the signs of a stroke and responding swiftly can make a critical difference, especially when it happens at home. Strokes occur suddenly and can cause lasting damage if not treated immediately. Early detection and prompt action can greatly improve the chances of recovery and reduce the risk of severe complications. In many cases, family members or friends are the first to notice something is wrong. Understanding what to look for and knowing how to respond empowers you to act decisively in a moment of crisis. Every minute counts when dealing with a stroke, making awareness and preparedness essential in any household. Recognizing the signs of a stroke quickly can make a critical difference. Common symptoms include sudden numbness or weakness in the face, arm, or leg, especially on one side of the body. You might also notice confusion, trouble speaking, or difficulty understanding speech. Other warning signs are sudden trouble seeing in one or both eyes, dizziness, loss of balance, or a severe headache with no known cause. If you observe any of these symptoms in a loved one, try to stay calm and act swiftly. Keeping your composure helps you communicate clearly with emergency responders and provide accurate information. Remember, immediate medical attention is essential to improve the chances of recovery. If you suspect someone is having a stroke, remain calm and act quickly. First, call emergency services immediately, as every minute counts. While waiting for help, keep the person comfortable and encourage them to sit or lie down. Do not give them food, drink, or medication, as swallowing may be impaired. Observe their symptoms closely, noting the time they began, as this information is vital for medical professionals. Speak to them reassuringly and stay by their side until help arrives. Your calm presence and prompt action can make a significant difference in their recovery. In an emergency situation, certain actions can make a significant difference in the outcome. It is crucial not to give the person any food or drink, as this could complicate their condition or interfere with necessary medical procedures. Avoid letting the individual fall asleep, since staying awake allows for better monitoring of their symptoms. Most importantly, do not delay in contacting emergency services. Prompt professional assistance is essential to ensure the best possible care and recovery. In emergency situations, every second counts. Immediate medical attention can make the difference between life and death. Quick decisions, such as calling for help or administering first aid, can stabilize a person's condition before professionals arrive. Delays in treatment may lead to complications or reduce the chances of recovery. Recognizing the signs of a medical emergency and acting swiftly ensures that vital care is delivered when it matters most. Ultimately, being prepared to respond quickly can save lives and minimize long-term harm. In the end, it's important to remember that our choices are defined not only by our actions, but also by our restraint. Sometimes the decisions we choose not to make, or the paths we decide not to take, can have just as much impact as the ones we pursue. This balance between action and inaction shapes our outcomes and character. Recognizing when to hold back can be just as powerful as knowing when to move forward. Ultimately, both what we do and what we refrain from doing contribute to the bigger picture of our lives. When contacting emergency services, providing clear and precise information is essential. The caller calmly explains when the symptoms first appeared, describes the specific symptoms observed, and confirms whether the patient is conscious. This detailed communication helps emergency responders quickly assess the severity of the situation. Accurate information allows them to prepare the necessary resources and offer immediate guidance. Clear communication can make a significant difference in the speed and effectiveness of the emergency response. The emergency operator remains focused, carefully processing the caller's information. With swift precision, they dispatch an ambulance to the scene, ensuring that help is on the way without delay. This scenario underscores how crucial it is to provide clear and accurate details during an emergency call. The speed and effectiveness of the response often depend on the quality of information shared. By communicating calmly and thoroughly, callers can make a significant difference in the outcome of an emergency situation. Clear communication with emergency services is essential during a medical emergency. Providing accurate information quickly can help responders assess the situation and act without delay. Every minute counts, especially when it comes to brain health. Rapid response can significantly improve outcomes and reduce the risk of long-term damage. By staying calm and relaying information clearly, you play a vital role in ensuring the best possible care arrives as soon as possible. Inside the home, a family stands close together, their faces etched with worry as they watch over their loved one. Every passing moment feels longer than the last, the silence broken only by hurried whispers and the occasional sound of someone checking for updates. The tension in the room is palpable, each person hoping for the distant wail of sirens to signal help is near. As they wait, their concern grows, reflecting the gravity of the situation. The uncertainty of what comes next weighs heavily on everyone present. The individual moves with purpose, attending closely to the patient's vital signs. Each breath and heartbeat is carefully observed, ensuring that the patient remains stable. Their calm demeanor and steady hands offer comfort to everyone nearby. Through deliberate actions, they create an atmosphere of reassurance, demonstrating both skill and compassion in a critical moment. The focus remains on maintaining the patient's safety while keeping those around informed and at ease. A steady heartbeat pulses on the screen, echoing the rhythm of resilience. The words, "Stay calm, stay focused, stay hopeful," appear, serving as gentle reminders during uncertain times. These visual cues are designed to encourage composure, helping viewers maintain clarity and optimism even in the midst of a crisis. By reinforcing these principles, the animation aims to foster a sense of stability and hope. In challenging moments, such reminders can be vital, guiding us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. As gentle piano music fills the air, a quiet intensity takes hold. Each note seems to echo the collective anxiety and anticipation, amplifying the urgency of the moment. The music weaves through the scene, underscoring the hope that help will arrive soon. Faces reflect a mixture of worry and determination, united by the shared weight. In this atmosphere, every second feels longer, and the promise of relief becomes ever more precious. The emotional tension grows, carried by the delicate melody, as everyone holds on to hope.